As a CTO, I spend most of my days building data management software for industry specialists. My favorite place to both think and code is out here, in the not-so-dry forests in Bergen, Norway. Surrounded by a quiet complexity of nature, I get inspiration and quiet. But right now, marketing needs an animation for a massive upcoming conference. They want my technical skills and creativity, and I'm happy to give it a shot. And that's what I'll be doing in this video. I'm making a presentation for a large conference already next week, so there's some time pressure. We need to get it done, and you can follow along here in the beautiful forests of Bergen. So let's get into it. Now the first challenge, the storytelling of quality assured data mapping. How do you visualize, source, extract, model, map, clean, populate without looking like a boring flowchart? Hey, come back. I will not say such boring words again, I promise. Now look at this path. A path gives us direction, and the trees give us the boundaries of the path. Every story needs a path and trees, and bends in the path. What is waiting behind that next turn? More path? A flower? A bear? Because the soil on these Norwegian slopes are so thin, spruce trees can't grow deep vertical tap roots. Instead, they grow incredibly wide horizontal networks, locking roots with neighboring trees. They hold each other up. That's how we need to model our workflow. Animations, you say, and then you think of Blender, our favorite open source tool. I think maybe not this time. I think my goal for this project is to use something that is code-based for making animations. No, I want efficiency. I want to write code, so I'm looking for packages that can help me write code more efficiently or make animations more efficiently. So I'm building this conference visualization entirely by code. I will be using a JavaScript package for handling the animation combined with WebGL shaders for visual effects. That will be fun. And you can join me on this side task. Follow me through the forests here in Bergen while we solve problems and take a break from daily tasks. So now it's time to open our editor and use our forest inspiration to write great code and present data management like spruce trees in shallow soil. I start out with some rectangles and a straightforward problem statement. Moving on to show the target data model and how the user is automating tedious tasks. She should see that we are adding quality that she never has time to do herself. Working with code and animation, it is absolutely amazing to see the graphics rendering in real time. When I make a change in code, the animation is updated before I can click Alt-Tab. We need to take a break here and realign. This animation doesn't look like the trees and forest inspiration that we came here for. Where's the life? Where's the motion? And by the way, being a coastal city, we have lighthouses throwing cool effects into the water. Translating that organic dynamic play of light will easily drown your animation unless you know GLSL shaders. GLSL is a C language that takes all your math skills from high school and university, shrink them down to a pixel and reduce your self-esteem to Arctic winter temperatures. And it lets you use the GPU in your computer to run super fast screen effects. With shaders, I bring the animation to life. I get the subtle movement of leaves in the background. Light flashes through raindrops to make highlights. And a lighthouse beam creates a great finale. It is so rewarding when it finally works. Ooh, I get back with a little help from AI. But I haven't really made a full visualization in just a couple of days alone, have I? No, Me and AI have. My favorite AI assistant programs the shader for me. In fact, it has also coded all the animations we did in JavaScript. And that was actually the entire reason for doing graphics by code. Find an easy way to make visualizations that look amazing and can be tweaked after feedback. In fact, I have been planning to use code for graphics for a while, and this project was a great opportunity to try it out. And there we go. I just sent the animation in time for the conference. If you want to see the full movie, or if you want to discuss data security, math-heavy shaders, or whatever project you're working on, you can find me on LinkedIn. Reach out and let's build something great together. Thanks for watching.